Okay. Boy, that took a lot of takes. That's why I didn't say anything. All right, so that's supposed to be the Mindy Pagoda flat key. And you can see there's the working key. Hopefully that is good enough for my second purple belt lock entry. We will see. If you're watching this, I thank you very much. This is for posterity's sake. This took over 30 takes at least. Popped it open half a dozen times off a camera, but took a lot of takes getting it right on the desk, and I'm surprised I got it in 3 minutes and whatever seconds. Normally I'm 5-6 minutes in at least when I do get it. Anyway, Mindy Pagoda key, flat Pagoda key, purple belt padlock, and I'll submit it and we'll see what they say. Have a great day, everybody.